Hello, and thank you again for considering our company for our TrueFlow designer metallic epoxy in Quiksilver. So we were called out on this project to remove an existing coating that was applied by another company. So the first step for us is to begin the surface preparation. For this particular project, we were instructed to just knock the coating down. The bond testing that we did with the previous coating was far more substantial and was fine. We just needed to remove the ugly existing top coat. Now with step two, we applied the base coat primer. This base coat primer kind of gives us a clean canvas that's beautifully white and helps as a contrast coat for our designer epoxy application. This particular coat is typically put down between 5 to 7 mils, sometimes can be applied much heavier, but as you can see, it really promotes a beautiful, solid, clean cut canvas that's ready for our TrueFlow designer metallic epoxy. One thing that's really unique about our epoxy systems is that everything we use on these projects is formulated in-house by us. I'm actually one of the chemists that makes these products. Here in this part of the video, you will notice that we were mixing that designer metallic epoxy. Through this process here, you're going to just notice us moving the product around seamlessly with our professional equipment. And as we're working through the floor, the goal is to not rush, but to create a very beautiful, seamless look that is just extremely desirable and free-flowing and natural. The hardest part about these applications is typically an inexperienced installer will not have enough installers on hand, or will be unable to melt each section together to create one solid sheet that is consistent. So with our company, we are extremely consistent, and everything that we do with every one of these projects is well thought out, and there's a process and there's a plan to everything that we do. As you can see though, as the floor begins to level while we're moving the product around and we're putting the final looks, the product will begin to level and actually take the shape of the final look of the floor. And as you're about to see, some of the results are stunning. A beautiful, natural, free-flowing lava floor. That Quiksilver gray metallic is just a very simplistic, modern, beautiful gray look that really adds that final appearance. I just want to thank my crew for doing an excellent job on this project, and we hope to be able to assist you on your designer metallic epoxy needs.